Hello, the topic is statistics. We are looking at the calculation of mean absolute deviation. The question, calculate the mean absolute deviation of the following set of data. So we have the data given. Now, first thing, we need to note that the mean absolute deviation is usually obtained as the summation of the absolute deviations from the actual mean all over the total number of items. And for this case, we will begin by determining the actual mean. And the actual mean is obtained as the sum of this divided by the total number, 9 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 16 plus 19, divided by the number of items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should give us, so all of this from my calculator, I get 84, and then you divide by 6, that should give us 14. So the actual mean is 14. Remember, X represents the variables here. So the values 9, 12, 13, and so on are the values of X. So we are going to determine the next step, the summation of the absolute deviations. So we are going to get the first one as, so we take the variable 9, that is X, minus the mean. So 9 minus 14, that is negative 5, but because we are looking at the absolute value, so we ignore the negative, so that gives us 5, plus 12 minus 14 is negative 2, and we write positive 2. Then we have 13 minus 14 is negative 1, and we have positive 1, plus 1. 16 minus 14, that is 2. 19 minus 14, that is 5. So when we add all this, we should get, this is 10 plus 6, that is 16. Now we have summation of the absolute deviations. Now, in order to get the mean absolute deviations, we will have the summation of absolute deviations over the total number of items. And that means we'll have 16 over the total number of items is 6. When we divide this, we should get 2 and 2/3. And with this, we come to the end of the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.